welcome back. My name is Amelia. In this video, I'm just going to take you through a bit of a tour of what you can expect to see when you log into WordPress for the first time. So some of you may not be familiar with how WordPress looks, so I'm just going to take you through a quick tour. In the last video, we logged into our site and we were brought to this page, and this is the WordPress admin dashboard, and by default you will always be taken to this page when you log in. So this is your main page. It's kind of like a bit of a landing page, I guess, with some details here, and this is all customizable, so we'll go through all of that. So let's start from the top down. So we've got this toolbar here across the screen, and this is only available when you are logged in, and I'll go through that in probably the next video. But a couple of things to note is we've got this the name of your site just there, and this is actually linked to your site, so if we clicked on that we would be taken to your main site there. So let's click on the back button there. If you also click on this visit site, that will also take you to your main site there as well. If we look across to the other side there, we can see Howdy Miss M, so there's our username there, and all of these little links here, everything that, well, apart from the logout there, everything here will link to your user profile where you can go and do an update on your user profile. And we've got the logout button there, so that's where you're going to be able to log out from. Okay. So in this main screen here, we've got our dashboard, and on the top here we've got this, welcome to WordPress, and it's kind of just like a little area where you can, it's got some next steps for you on how to do particular things. You can customize your site if you wish to. Of course, you might be using a theme, so you won't want to do that just yet. If you don't want to see this every time you come in, you can just click this dismiss and it will disappear. Okay, now all of these little boxes here, you might see if I hold down the left click and I drag my mouse around, you'll see that you can actually drag all these around into that little gap there. So you can customize this the way you want it to. We also have these little tabs here, so we've got screen options and help. So if we click on that, it'll have a box dropping down, and you'll see all these little check boxes here and a couple of radio buttons. Now these relate to what is shown on this dashboard here. So let's take, for instance, this quick press. So if we uncheck the quick press there, it disappears. Okay, so anything that you don't want on your dashboard you can remove simply by using that uncheck. So things like incoming links, or if you don't want to know about any recent drafts, you can remove all of that. The other thing you can do is you can have a number of columns. So at the moment you've got a 2-column layout, so you could just have them underneath each other like so, or you could have them in little boxes like that, and then you can just drag everything around however you want to do it. But I'm just going to leave it as 2 because that's how it comes. And to hide that box, just click on the screen options again, and that's going to hide everything for you. The other one we've got here is this Help tab. So this might come in handy as you're getting to know WordPress. So if you click on the Help tab, it'll bring down another drop-down box, and this is documentation in relation to the page you are on at the moment. So at the moment we're on the dashboard page, and this will just let us know what kinds of things are on the dashboard and how to use particular areas. So it's letting us know what each of these boxes are. It's letting us know about that drag and drop to rearrange, and we've got some other documentation here that will take us to what's called the Codex for WordPress, and the Codex is kind of like the Wikipedia of WordPress. Okay, so it takes you to the relevant documentation for that particular page, and it's also got the support forum. So if you're having a bit of trouble, you need a helping hand, there's some really great guys over there at WordPress. They have a really cool name called the Happiness Engineers. I absolutely love that term. But yeah, you can go to the support forums and post a thread there, and there's a whole big community there that are willing to help you. So, but again, if you want to hide that, just do the help and that'll hide everything there. And that's pretty much it for the dashboard. So what I might do is leave this one here, and in the next video we'll have a look at this navigation, have a look at all those different tabs. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.